You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is n equals -16/11. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 16/3 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the n. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3/11. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is n equals -16/11.